Okay, here's a little project I've been working on for Gas and Spark, the first one. I'm going to go into it more in detail. I just want to show you kind of halfway done with the mechanicals. There's still a lot of cosmetic things that are going to go on, but it's a 1961 Honda 50 Super Cub. And like I say, I still got to work on the electrical. That's always kind of been the bane of my existence, but which includes the key. I just have a switch hooked up to one of the wires and get it going. Did a lot to this thing just to get it this far. The engine was in a crate. Everything was kind of nasty, and it's coming along pretty good, but I want to just let it run and let you hear it so you can see that it's back in the land of the living. And sounds pretty good. Go with the kick here. Battery. That's coming next when I tackle that rat's nest of stuff to do. New seat. Tank's good. Had to get a new carburetor. Messed around with an old one and did some things to the cylinder, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, there it is. It's pretty good for an old bucket of bolts that was in a crate.